Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to recover your Shopify account. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be looking for a way to recover your Shopify account here. Well, this one is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to shopify.com, log in into access their official webpage. Now in here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and click on the login button that you see at the top right here. Go ahead and click on it. And in here, you need to provide some details about your account. Now, the great thing about Shopify here is if you've signed up one of the three ways here, that includes Apple, Facebook, and also Google. So if you sign up by that way, you typically speaking just need to click on that specific option, and it will direct you to the account. This case selection, which in this case you could just go ahead and click on your account here and approve the sign in. So that's how it is actually easy. But just in case, like if you've signed up manually here and fill out your email, the password you want to use, what you need to do is you want to go to login, go to email here, type in your email, click on continue with email. Now in here, as you can see, it's now going to ask you for a password. So what you need to do is you just need to click on forgot password. Now once you've done that, it's going to basically allow you to click on email password reset. And once you've done that, this will actually send an email to your account. So meaning, like for example, if you have a Google account, you just need to re-access that and basically access the link that they'll be sending, and you should be able to reset your password for your Shopify account. So in this case, once you do see that link, go ahead and just follow the on-screen steps to update your password. Go back in this page here, enter a new password, and click on login. You should be good. That's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.